Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a variable and make it easier to us assign numbers how we want it to rotate. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code. So we'll like to create a variable over here. We'll like to create it inside of our class, not inside of start, not inside of update, so that we can enter to them from start and update. So let's come over here, right here, float. Let's name our variable steer speed. We'll write here 0.1f and semicolon. Now we will write instead of this 0.1f, inside of rotate, just steer speed. Now wait a minute. Yeah, steer speed. Now let's create another variable for transform translate instead of 0.01f. So let's write float move speed equals 0.01f. Oh, semicolon. Instead of 0 here we'll write move speed. Now let's save that up. Come over here to Unity. Everything should be the same as it was before. As it was before, it should be the same. Yeah, nice. It's the same. So now let's do something fun and write just 1. Now let's save that up. Come over here to Unity. Now let's check. Does it really work? When we play this, there should be a fast movement. Woo, yes. So this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.